Database technology has constantly changed and evolved over the years. Storing data doesn't have to be a headache. There are relational, columnar, NoSQL, hierarchical, and document database. It can easily get confusing. This discussion helps you understand some popular database types and their use cases as well. After the discussion, we know how to choose the right database for a given use case. They do not replace each other, but rather complement each other. In the following, we will follow this agenda. We will also mention some of these acronyms a database professional should know. We will discuss these 5 items, starting with the data formats and the 2 major categories of database, SQL and NoSQL. Then we will compare row and column-oriented data store in SQL database and no use case for each. For NoSQL, we will look at key value and document style. We will also compare SQL and NoSQL by looking at their data query. In addition, we will look at 2 more types of database: in-process, embedded, and in-memory database. In the last item, we compare database products in terms of popularity and cost. We will see the developer survey from Stack Overflow in the years of 2020 and 2021, and a cost comparison. MySQL cloud service in the 4 leading cloud service provider. At the end of the day, I give you a summary.